Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Chaffee here. Weather in 5 days and 5 minutes. And hey, look at the Northeast. Not a whole lot of clouds around. In fact, more clear skies than clouds. And the weather looks nice for today. Enjoy it because it's not going to last. Weather in 5 is brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon. Your go-to place for mulch and anything you need to make your yard look like the best in the neighborhood. 631-756-1125. They do have the best prices in town as everything has gotten so expensive at any of the big box stores. And the website is omnitruevalue.com. So just back to the U.S. satellite loop, and you can see clouds up in northern New England. They're pulling away to the east. But we're in a good place today. We should have sunshine for most of the day, but it is going to be on the cool side. And also seeing that dry air extend down through the mid-Atlantic and into the southeast, although there are some patchy clouds in parts of the Carolinas, and the frontal boundary is set up across northern Florida. Notice we have clouds back over the Midwest, and that is the next round, folks. There's no rest for the weary here as weather systems are moving along, and the next one is on its way. Radars should be quiet today. You're seeing a few sprinkles up in the Catskills and points north. That's not unusual in a situation like this, and those will disappear before too long. As far as severe weather risk is concerned, we're looking at a marginal risk of severe weather in a small area in western Kentucky, southwest Indiana, southern Illinois, western Tennessee, northeastern Arkansas, a small area, and a small area in southeastern Missouri. There's not really too much happening. We're getting those kind of a relaxation of the of severe weather across the U.S. over the next couple of days. Friday into Saturday, a small area of risk develops in North Texas and in southwest Kansas, southeastern Colorado, northeastern New Mexico, and over the Oklahoma Panhandle. And on day 3, which is Saturday through Sunday, we are going to see slight risk in parts of Kansas and a marginal risk that extends down into Texas and back west into parts of Colorado, into the eastern Missouri. Also notice a little area of general thunderstorms pops up in the northeast and northern part, the southern areas of the northeast or the northern mid-Atlantic states. Again, this is for Sunday. As far as rainfall is concerned over the next 7 days, looking at about a half to 3/4 of an inch reaching the south shore of Long Island. Let's just make it southern New England, south coastal New England, southward with 3/4 of an inch to an inch in places over New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, down into Maryland and northern Virginia. And of course, you see the bigger rains that are showing up in the lower Ohio Valley on the order of an inch and a half to 3, and on the order of an inch and a half to as much as 4, or even a small area of 5 inches being indicated in parts of Mississippi and southeastern Arkansas. And of course, obviously, some of that is thunderstorm related. Still seeing a fair amount of precip, though, up the Rockies. Some of that is going to be in the form of snow, particularly early next week in parts of Colorado and Wyoming. So let's run you through where we're going over the next 5 days, because we've got still a very active northern part of the jet stream that's going to be south of normal. This is going to create some issues, and those issues will begin tomorrow, but no problems for today. We should see a good deal of sunshine. Temperatures are going to be in the cool 60s. Friday, we have a southern stream system, and that's reflected by a low in North Carolina, and a couple of northern stream systems dropping down through the Great Lakes. Now, they're not going to phase together, but they are going to create some issues as these short waves amplify, lifting up to the northeast. So for Friday, we'll probably start with some sun early, but then I think we're going to quickly cloud over. There's cold air aloft, and by Friday evening, we'll see showers probably into eastern Pennsylvania. And you can see the north-south orientation of this. So we're probably going to go the whole day for most of the area with no rain for Friday. And you're also seeing low pressure develop offshore that runs into the Gulf of Maine and toward Nova Scotia on Saturday. And as a result, now the upper troughs swing eastward for Saturday. And I think it's going to put us in lots of clouds and the possibility that there could be a few scattered showers around. And it appears as if the best chance for any showers will be just inland of the coast on Saturday. And with all the clouds around, probably temperatures not getting out of the 50s. We'll get a little bit of clearing Saturday night as that storm pulls away, but here comes the next one for Sunday. Low pressure moving across the Ohio Valley, and I think we're probably going to see rain develop on Mother's Day at some point during the afternoon and evening. That low goes by. Now the models want to take the low to our north, so we'll get some rain or showers Sunday night. And whether we get warm sector or not, I'm not 100% sure whether this is going to be a low going by to our north or sliding right overhead, in which case the implications for Monday will be a cloudier, raw, rainy type of day if the low were to track to our south. But either way, Mother's Day will start off dry and finish off with some rain developing in most of the area. And then next week, after we clear this weather system out, we are going to turn rather cool for Tuesday and Wednesday, and at least it should be dry. And we'll have to see whether we'll have other storm systems to deal with down the road. So real quick, as far as temperatures are concerned, highs today will be mostly in the middle 60s, pretty uniform temperatures, a little bit lower as you go inland. On Friday, we're looking at high temperatures that will probably be pretty much in the same ballpark. Most highs will be in the low to mid 60s, but it actually will be lower in terms of high temperatures as you go south and west rather than north and east. And then Saturday will be cool everywhere. Many areas are going to have a tough time getting out of the 50s. And if you look up to the north, a lot of areas not even getting out of the 40s. Sunday, if we get a little bit of sun for the first part of Mother's Day, we could see temperatures move up into the 60s. But I think once the rains start, we'll probably see those temperatures drop off back into the 50s. Weather in 5 brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware, serving the New York tri-state area, 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, on Long Island in southwest Suffolk County, 631-756-1125. They make mulch there. They never run out. So as a result, they have the best price, certainly better prices than any of the big box stores. The website, omnitruevalue.com. Also want to give a heads up to Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, our other sponsor here on Weather in 5 and the Joe and Joe Weather Show, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs. And they're at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, right close to Omni, 631-957-5106. And the website is liholidaylighting.com. So enjoy the day with the sunshine. Certainly going to be the best day of the next 5. Joe and Joe Weather Show tonight at 7:30 Eastern Time, so be sure to tune in. We'll see you later.